As you can see...
Are you videoing? Or?
Yes, I'm videoing. As you can see, I am at a gym. Okay? And Phil poses a valid point here. Phil, what's your point? / question.
Why do they not have this at University Recreation?
Exactly. Now, this is motivation right here. This is what dudes want. This is what dudes want. Now, as you can see, Phil came in here to hang out and work out a little bit. He's drinking a margarita. Here's my margarita over here. Getting drunk and working out at the same time. Now, I think it's ingenious, and I wonder why I never combined these two wonderful things before. Yeah, that's all I got. Okay, bye-bye.